In a world where water scarcity is a growing concern, innovative solutions are needed to sustain agriculture. But fear not, because today we bring you a video showcasing some amazing drought-tolerant crops that can be grown with less water. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Almond trees. First on our list, we have almond trees. Almonds are not only delicious but also remarkably resilient to drought conditions. These hardy trees can thrive with minimal water, making them an excellent choice for arid regions. Dates. Next up, we have dates. These sweet and nutritious fruits come from date palms, which have adapted over centuries to withstand dry environments. With their deep root systems and ability to conserve water, date palms are a true symbol of resilience. Fig trees. The humble fig. Did you know that fig trees are naturally resistant to drought? These delightful fruits are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a testament to nature's ingenuity in creating plants that can thrive with less water. Pomegranates. Speaking of nature's wonders, pomegranates are another crop that deserves our attention. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants and can flourish even in water-stressed conditions. So, while you enjoy the delicious burst of flavor, remember that pomegranates are a true ally against drought. Chinese dates. Jujubes, also known as Chinese dates, are small yet mighty in their drought tolerance. These trees can survive on limited water resources while producing an abundance of nutritious and delectable fruits. They truly embody the saying good things come in small packages. Millets. Now let's shift our focus to a crop that has been a staple in many regions for centuries, millets. These ancient grains are not only incredibly versatile and nutritious but also well suited to arid climates. With their shallow roots and high water use efficiency, millets have the power to feed communities even in water-scarce environments. Mango trees. The king of fruits, the mango. These juicy delights are not only mouth-watering but also resilient. Mango trees have deep taproots that help them access water from deep within the soil, enabling them to withstand periods of drought and still bear their delicious fruits. Jackfruit. Moving on to the jackfruit, a tropical giant with an incredible ability to thrive with minimal water. Its large size and impressive resistance make it a sustainable and nutritious choice for areas facing water scarcity. Plus, the versatile jackfruit can be used in a variety of savory and sweet dishes. Pineapple. Now, let's talk about the pineapple, a symbol of tropical delight. These spiky wonders can adapt to varying water conditions, making them a valuable addition to drought-tolerant agriculture. So, next time you savor a juicy slice of pineapple, appreciate its ability to grow sustainably. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, with its striking appearance and refreshing taste, is not just a treat for the senses, but also a triumph of nature's resilience. This unique fruit thrives in arid environments, making it an excellent choice for drought-tolerant farming. Prickly pear cactus. And last but certainly not least, we have the prickly pear cactus. This hardy plant is a true survivor in the harshest of conditions. Its ability to store water within its thick leaves and stems allows it to flourish in arid regions where other crops struggle. There you have it, an inspiring glimpse into the world of drought-tolerant agriculture. From almonds to prickly pears, these crops demonstrate the resilience and adaptability of nature. By embracing these alternatives, we can work towards a sustainable and water-conscious future. Remember, every small choice we make can have a big impact. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.